How to fix if app is not available in your country or region. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. So first option is open up any VPN application. Now connect to the specified country and restart the Play Store. Another step is open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for the app name. Now open up this website. Now tap on download. So you can install this application by this process. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.